This day, we will show you how to open the AMD version of the Lenovo Legion 515 and what's inside of it. You have 11 Phillips head screws separating you from the internals of this notebook. After you undo them, pry the bottom panel with a plastic tool, starting from the front. Be patient, as the M-bulk part on the back can be a little more difficult to remove. Cooling-wise, we see two big metal plates, covering the VRMs and the memory modules of the graphics cards. Additionally, there are 3 heat pipes, one shared between the CPU and the GPU and one more for each of them. Thankfully, there are 4 heat spreaders, which increases the thermal capacity of the entire solution. As far as the upgradability goes, there are 2 RAM SODIMM slots. According to Lenovo, they sell the notebook with a maximum of 16 GB of DDR4, working at 3200 MHz in dual-channel mode. However, we are pretty positive that it can hold up to at least 32 GB in total. In terms of storage, there are 2 M.2 PCIe X4 drive slots, one of which is blocked by the 2.5-inch SATA drive, and we are not really sure it works. How about the battery? Well, Lenovo sells the Legion 5 with 2 options, a 60 Wh and an 80 Wh one, as our particular unit features the smaller of the two. If you'd like to see more disassembly videos of the latest notebooks, we would highly appreciate if you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.